Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is 4 raised to the power 1 minus x plus 4 raised to the power 1 plus x. It's equal to 10. Then what is the value of x? So let's start. Look at the first term. Here we use the identity of exponent. We know that a raised to the power n minus m. We write this as a raised to the power n over a raised to the power m. So apply this identity on first term. So this will become 4 raised to the power 1 over 4 raised to the power x is equal to, look at the second term. Here we use this property a raised to the power n plus m. This is equal to a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power m. Using this property, we write this second term as 4 raised to the power 1 multiply 4 raised to the power x, and the right hand side is 10. So in the next step, we let that 4 raised to the power x, this is equal to y. Then this above equation will become a 4 raised to the power 1 over y plus 4 raised to the power 1, and this is a y, it's equal to 10. Now 4 raised to the power 1 is just 4. So we write this as a 4 over y plus 4 times y, this is equal to 10. Now in the next step, we multiply this equation by y on both sides. So this equation is 4 over y plus 4 times y, this is equal to 10. So multiply this equation by y on both sides. So look at the first term. If we multiply y by 4 over y, then we get a 4 plus multiply y by 4 times y, we get a 4y square, multiply y by 10, we get a 10 times y. Now look at this side, we rearrange this. So this is a 4y square plus 4, it's equal to 10y. Now in the next step, we subtract a 10 times y on both sides of this equation. So this will become a 4y square minus 10y plus 4, this is equal to 0. And this, now this will become a quadratic equation. So we use a quadratic formula. The formula is y, it's equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Look at this equation. What is the a? A is basically the coefficient of y square, which is 4, and the b is the coefficient of y, which is minus 10, and c is a constant, which is 4. So substitute this value in this formula. So minus b is 10, so it's a minus 10 plus minus the b square mean 10 minus 10 square is a 100 minus 4, a is 4 and the c is also 4 over 2, and a is 4. Now we simplify this side. So minus and minus will become a positive 10 plus minus is a 100 minus 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 is 64. Two fours are 8. So this will become 10 plus minus 100 minus 64 is 36 over 8. So square root 36 is 6. So 10 plus minus 6 over 8. This is the answer of y. Now we separate this value. So this implies y is equal to 10 plus 6 over 8, and y is equal to 10 minus 6 over 8. Now look at this, 10 plus 6 is 16. So 16 over 8. Now divide 16 by 8, we get a 2. So this implies y is equal to 2. And we let that 4 raised to the power x, this is equal to y. So this implies 4 raised to the power x is equal to 2. Now we write this 4 as a 2 raised to the power 2. Its power is x, it's equal to 2. And here we use the identity, which is a raised to the power n multiply m. This is equal to a raised to the power product of n and m. Using this identity on this side, so this will become a 2 raised to the power 2x, this is equal to 2. We write this 2 as a 2 raised to the power 1, which is also equal to 2. Now look at this, the base are same, so we can compare their exponent. So this will become a 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1. Now divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So this 2 and 2 cancel, we get x is equal to 1 over 2. So this is our one answer. Now look at this, 10 minus 6 is 4 over 8. Now this will come a 4 over 8. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So this is equal to 1 over 2. And y is equal to 4 raised to the power x is equal to 1 over 2. So we write this 4 as a 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to 1 over 2. Now we write this 1 over 2 as a 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now look at this, the base are same, so we can compare their exponent. So this implies 2 times x is equal to minus 1, divide this by 2 on both sides. So this implies x is equal to minus 1 over 2. And this is our second answer. And we have done. Thank you.